Nissan is releasing a genuine body-on-frame pickup truck with a starting price of just $22,000. If you've been watching truck prices climb year after year and quietly giving up on the idea of ever owning a capable new workhorse, this is the truck that was built specifically for your situation. The NP300 is arriving with towing figures that match the Tacoma, a bed that outmeasures every mid-size truck on the market, and a body-on-frame foundation that no compact pickup in this price range can claim. Cheap price, genuine truck design. Here's something the compact pickup segment has quietly avoided admitting. Affordability and real truck capability have not coexisted. Not in this market, not at this price. Nissan is about to fix that. The model in question is called the NP300, and it has been in production for years across Mexico, Central America, and South America. In those markets, it has built a reputation as a no-frills, dependable workhorse, a truck with genuine mid-size dimensions, body-on-frame construction, and work-focused engineering that most Americans would only expect from vehicles costing twice as much. The fact that Nissan is now positioning this truck for the US market is, without question, one of the most interesting developments in the pickup segment in years. Think about the position a lot of buyers are currently stuck in. They need a capable truck for real work, but the moment they start pricing out mid-size options, the math stops making sense. A contractor who needs a reliable hauler 5 days a week shouldn't have to finance a $45,000 vehicle to get one. That's exactly the gap the NP300 is going to fill, and it's going to fill it without cutting corners where it counts. There will be no architectural compromises to reach that price. No unibody shortcut, no downsized platform, no car-based bones hiding underneath a truck-shaped body. The NP300 is going to ride on a traditional ladder frame with a solid rear axle and leaf springs, the kind of setup that has been handling heavy loads and demanding job sites for decades. Steel wheels, black plastic bumpers, a work-first cabin. Every cost-cutting decision is intentional, and none of them touch the truck's structural integrity or capability numbers. A genuine truck at a price that shouldn't be possible, but what does that actually mean when it comes to the numbers that matter most on a job site? The next chapter answers that. Built for work. The body-on-frame architecture is only the beginning of what separates this truck from the compact pickups currently occupying the affordable end of the market. The NP300 is going to bring towing capacity that holds up against mid-sized trucks costing significantly more, figures in the neighborhood of what a Tacoma or Frontier can manage, while starting at a fraction of the price. Consider what limited towing capacity actually costs a small business owner over the course of a year. Every job that requires a second trip, every trailer load that exceeds what the truck can safely pull. Those inefficiencies add up fast in time, fuel, and wear on the vehicle. A truck that can handle the load in one run isn't just more capable, it's genuinely more economical. The NP300's towing figures, which will reach 6,600 pounds, make that kind of one-trip efficiency a reality at a starting price no mid-size competitor can touch. Payload tells the same story. The NP300 is going to handle over 2,700 pounds, a number that no compact unibody pickup on the US market comes anywhere close to matching. The Maverick tops out around 1,500 pounds, the Santa Cruz isn't far behind. For contractors, farmers, fleet operators, and small business owners, that gap is enormous. What also sets this truck apart is the range of configurations it will be offered in. Rather than arriving in a single crew cab layout with a short bed, the NP300 is going to be available in multiple setups, including a chassis cab version. That configuration opens the door to custom upfitting, service bodies, flatbeds, utility boxes, giving small businesses and specialized trades a level of flexibility that simply doesn't exist anywhere near this price point. The capability numbers are genuinely hard to argue with, but there's one specification attached to this truck that might be the single biggest talking point of all, and it has everything to do with the bed. Bed dimensions that stand out. One of the numbers attached to this truck is going to stop a lot of people in their tracks. In its single cab configuration with the long bed option, the NP300 is going to offer 7.7 feet of cargo space. That's not a misprint. To put that in perspective, virtually every mid-size pickup currently on sale in America maxes out somewhere between 5 and 6 feet of bed length, and most crew cab configurations don't even reach that. A 7.7-foot bed puts the NP300 in the same territory as single cab full-size trucks, platforms that cost anywhere from $35,000 to $50,000 in their base configurations. Anyone who has ever tried to haul full sheets of plywood, long lengths of pipe, or an oversized piece of equipment knows the frustration of running out of bed. The tailgate goes down, the load hangs over, and suddenly every bump in the road becomes a liability. At 7.7 feet, the NP300 eliminates that problem, and it does it at a price point where no other truck on the market is even trying to compete. The wheelbase that enables this bed length stretches past 124 inches, which also contributes to stability under heavy loads. In a segment where bed length has been shrinking for years, Nissan is going in the opposite direction and doing it at a starting price that makes the whole proposition feel almost surreal. An impressive bed for an impressive price, but none of it matters if the engine underneath can't do the job, and that's where things get very interesting. Engine options. The powertrain approach matches the overall philosophy of the truck. No turbocharged complexity, no hybrid system, no elaborate electronic management to maintain. Nissan is going with what works, a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 that the company has been refining and deploying across its lineup for years. Output comes in at 166 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. Those figures won't make headlines at a performance review, but they're not meant to. What this engine is going to offer is something a lot of work truck buyers value far more than peak horsepower numbers. Proven reliability, straightforward maintenance, and the kind of longevity that comes from decades of real-world use. A manual gearbox is going to be standard, with an automatic available for the US market. There is also a second option worth paying close attention to. Reports are pointing toward a diesel variant, and the case for it connects directly to how this truck is going to be used. Anyone running a work truck through a full week of towing, hauling, and job site driving knows how quickly fuel costs can eat into a project's margin. An engine that combines serious torque with class-leading efficiency doesn't just perform better, it changes the economics of running a small fleet. The diesel NP300 would produce 161 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque, with that pulling power arriving low in the rev range where it's actually useful. Two solid powertrain options, work-ready capability, and a bed that outmeasures the competition. The only question left is when this truck is actually arriving and what it's going to cost. That's next. Release date and price. The path to American showrooms is being built around one key decision. Nissan is planning to establish US production for the NP300. That move is critical. Without domestic manufacturing, import tariffs would erase any pricing advantage before the first unit sold. With US production in place, the numbers get very interesting. The NP300 is about to arrive with a starting price of $22,000, a figure that would make it the most affordable body-on-frame pickup in this market by a wide margin. Current midsize options start at $33,000 and climb from there. The compact unibody trucks that compete on price can't match this truck's payload, towing, or bed length. At $22,000, the NP300 isn't just affordable. It's in a category of its own. On timing, buyers will need some patience. The production setup and any required market-specific modifications are going to push the launch out 2 to 3 years. When the NP300 does arrive, it will carry a combination of capability, configuration, flexibility, and pricing that the US pickup market has genuinely never seen before. The NP300 is shaping up to be one of the most disruptive pickups the US market has seen in a long time. A body-on-frame foundation, over 2,700 pounds of payload capacity, a bed that stretches to 7.7 feet, and towing figures that go toe-to-toe with the Tacoma, all of it wrapped at a starting price of $22,000. Add a diesel option that's targeting 37 miles per gallon on the highway, chassis cab configurations for businesses that need flexibility, and US production that keeps the price honest, and what Nissan is putting together here isn't just an affordable truck. It's a legitimate working machine that the segment has been missing for years. The wait is going to be 2 to 3 years, but for buyers who have been priced out of the truck market and forced to compromise on capability, that wait is going to be worth it. But Nissan isn't the only manufacturer that's working on an affordable body-on-frame truck. Ram is doing the same, and you can check out its upcoming model in our next video. Strong work credentials combined with Ram's expertise in style and luxury could make it one of the most appealing trucks on the US market.